Let's show you some before and after photos. What's up, guys? I've got a very quick video for you today on how to clean tile saws. Small tile saws, tabletop tile saws, big, dirty, wet tile saws like this 10-inch DeWalt here. So we'll talk about the method. It's a 5-step method. We'll show you this dirty saw. Here we go. Take a look at this saw. Extremely dirty right now. We haven't cleaned this in some time. It's an older DeWalt, as you can see there. Tray is filthy. Blade area, you've got your trays down here, again filthy. Just need a quick cleaning, easy cleaning. So what we're gonna do is simple. First step, spray this with water. Second step, spray it with some degreaser. Third step, spray it with some sulfuric acid to break down that thin set. Fourth step is to spray it again with some degreaser just to get rid of that acid off of the metals. And then fifth step is just to simply spray it down with water. So here we go, how to clean your tile saw quick and easy. Alright guys, here are the items that you'll need to quickly and easily clean your tile saw. First off, a pressure washer. Got a Ryobi 1600 PSI. You will need a $10 Amazon foam cannon such as this. Plastic to cover the motor of the tile saw. Sulfuric acid here. Some degreaser such as Simple Green. And that's it. 5-step process here. There's your foam cannon valve. First we'll spray it with some water, then we'll spray it with some degreaser. First, let's bag up the motor. All right, let's start with some water and then degreaser. Move to acid, then degreaser again, and then finally spray it off with water. It's about a 15 to 20 minute process. Here we go. Diluted Simple Green. Now degreaser. Now water and sulfuric acid. You may want to wear rubber gloves for this. My hands are pretty calloused. Now some sulfuric acid. All right, let's clean off the acid with some degreaser, and then lastly we will spray it off with water. So here's the clean saw, guys. Let's quickly take a look at what it looked like before. Here it is. The trays didn't clean as good this time as it did last time, but the saw turned out fairly clean. The sliding trays cleaned off, as you can see. A quick and easy way to clean your tile saw, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.